Hey, this is Russell, and I am updating my health information on like when you go up to the one of those kiosks and you just punch in all your information. Yeah, this is like that, but on Facebook now. Did you know that Facebook has health information stuff? Yeah, you can do that. So they're going to become a health provider now. Facebook is just FYI. So that is really cool, but not really. No, I can't update my health on Facebook, but I can tell you about my health on Facebook. So I'll do that. I have multiple things, but one of them is a good attitude. The other one is diabetes. The other one is type 2 diabetes. The other one is, let's see. I don't know. What else do I have? Oh, I had a gallbladder issue the other day. I went to the hospital because it was really painful. And I was like, man, I hope this is not a gallstone or something. But so I went in and it was not a gallstone, luckily. And I exited the emergency room without any problems, so that's good. And then let's see. This is an update on health. So, hey Brad, how's it going? Nice to see you watching. That's awesome. Anyways, and Piper, nice to see you. Or I can't see you, but I can see your little image there, so that's cool. So yeah, I have diabetes type 2. I have a gallbladder issue, so I need to have low sugar. I need to have low fat, no fried food, because of the gallbladder issue. Sorry about the shakiness. I don't know what's going on. And then I can't have, let's see. And then I'm trying to go vegan, so that's one thing I'm trying to do is veganism. So that's I'm incorporating eggs and chicken into my diet. So, anyways, that's one thing. And then also, Julie asked me not to update her health on here, but one thing we do know about Julie, which I hope we can say, is that she's getting her surgery, and she's right here, but she doesn't want to be in the video right now. So, she's getting her surgery on the 29th of this month. Woohoo! It's awesome. Yeah. So that's really cool. So that's really fun. And what else? Oh, we're shopping for her post-apocalyptic shopping right here. After she's done and the world's done dying and going through surgery. And then when she comes out of that as a butterfly, she's going to shop on this, have some presents, so that'll be good. And she wanted to have this Rilakuma backpack. It's pretty cool. So this is one thing that she wanted to have. And then, so we're going to have that as one of her post-surgery presents. And then she also wanted a unicorn. Julie, do you want to get the unicorns out and see what we can show them as the unicorns? So this is her room. Also, she wants that that swimsuit to fit her eventually. So that'll be cool. She bought that prior. So that's one thing she's hoping for. So that's pretty cool. This is her room, by the way. She has it all decked out with all her stuff. Those are her paintings. And those are. Hey Molly, how's it going? So she did this. What's it called, Julie? This pink thing, pinata. That's right. She did all these paintings, and she did these fish here, so that's pretty cool. Hi. So, yeah, she did all this, and this is my favorite part: the PS3 and the computer. You know, the black strings and wires and electronics and stuff. And this is my favorite part: the TV, the Sanyo. Anyways, so, anyways, she did all this stuff. This is pretty cool. Her room. And so we're gonna, when she gets home, she's gonna deck out her room. We're gonna move. We're gonna move to Tempe, Arizona, and I'm gonna get a bunch of roommates, and that's gonna pay our rent and earn us a little extra income as well. And right now we're in Mesa. We're not too far from where I grew up, and all of you who are watching know where I grew up, so that's pretty cool. So let's see, what else? We're moving to Tempe. We were looking for a house, as most of you know. Airbnb. What's that, Molly? But anyways, we're moving to a house, 2,000 or less or so. We want around that price because then we want to have it be not crappy, you know. Oh yeah, days at a time. Oh, interesting, huh? Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, that's true. You know, it could be like a, well, I don't know. That'd be more like a hotel, so that'd be kind of weird sometimes. But maybe, Molly. So, hey Ketra, how's it going? Another thing is, okay, so we're moving, we're trying to go to Tempe, we're trying to get a house. If any of you have information about a house, yeah, I can charge a lot more. Yeah, that's true. I did stay at a place that was weekly, and it was about $200 a week, or $100 a week, or something like that. And it was awesome because I was able to move out of where I was at, which wasn't a good place, and then stay for a week or two. That was in Utah. It was in American Fork, right next to the train somewhere next to a McDonald's, at a hotel, Rock Hotel. Molly, might know where that is. It's kind of, oh, I know, it was downtown Murray, or however you say that, Murray, something like that. Anyways, right in, Old Town Murray, something like that. Anyways, so, the train would go by every Murray, and the train would go by every night, or every other night or something, and I learned how to fall asleep with the train going by. But anyways, if any of you know of a place in Tempe, or roommates who you think are single and male, who would like to live with me and my wife Julie when she gets home, go ahead and give them a shout out and have them message me on Facebook. I mean, be really fun to hang out and have a good time, and I have a busy life, of course they do too, so there won't be too much bothersome stuff going on. I like it when roommates have busy lives, because I've had roommates that are homebodies a little bit, and it's kind of hard to do anything during, I don't know, it's weird. But anyways, so moving on. I went to the hospital the other day, a week ago, and found out that my gallbladder is having some issues, so I can't have fried food anymore. I have type 2 diabetes, and I had swelling in my legs, but I don't anymore. So that's cool. I think when I went vegan, the swelling in my legs went down, which is kind of cool. I have arthritis throughout my back and my spine, and that's been going on since I got in a accident in 2011. I actually got hit by a car in 2011. So as a pedestrian, and it was a yellow Volkswagen Bug. Not the old metal ones, but the new plastic ones. So it got beat up, and I got beat up, and I busted its front light with my knee, and took out its windshield with my head, and I got one little scar there from the whole thing. So yeah, crazy. Anyways, I went like this, bing, bonk, from the car to the concrete. Yeah, so that was crazy. And what else? Yeah, so I've had arthritis since then from that accident, and had injections in my back recently, and yeah, I'm going to do a scan of my thoracic spine. I guess that's the mid-back. I had the scan of my lower back, and that's where I had the injections done. The thoracic spine has bulging discs and arthritis and stuff. I just got done with my doctor's appointment with my pain doctor this morning. So, anyways, those are my updates. My diet is going well. I've had... What did I have today? I had a little too much pasta last night. I had 2 or 3 servings of ramen with tuna, so that was good. But then, Sheila, what else did I have today?
I'm not sure.
I didn't have anything today.
Yeah.
I didn't have anything yet.
Out the door.
Yeah, I ran out the door to my appointment, so it was far away, so I had to get up earlier. And it was at 8, so, or 9 or something. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have tuna with mustard and mayonnaise. I think that'll be good. So yeah, I'm incorporating a little more meat into my diet. Just when I'm hungry, I'm like, man, I'm hungry. I can't just go without food, So, and I have lots of meat at home. thanks. I have lots of meat at home, and I don't want to have it go to waste. I gave a lot of frozen food to my parents because they're going through financial rough times right now. But other than that, I just they're doing good. I mean, it's just like everyone wants food. That's a good thing, So. But let's see. Anything else, Julie? I don't know. I can't think of anything else. I know a lot about diet and exercise, and it's all up here. It's not down here. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah. My parents are doing good, and I'm doing good but we do get like free food. That's my goal. Free food. That's it. So, I'm trying to limit my financial strain on food. I found lots of food banks, and I found all sorts of things. A lot of them closed recently. Like the 2 I went to, one of them's closed in August, and then the other one's closed permanently. So I'm like, man. So, but then of course, there's always Salvation Army is awesome. And then my clothes, I don't get my clothes anywhere but Goodwill and what's it called? DI. DI is big in Utah. It's huge in Utah.